Mr. Jami, the Landed Prosecution Counsel in conduct of the matter, takes the position that as the 41 respondents are now, courtesy of the instant application suspects, they ought to be remanded at a gazetted facility and not at the Shakahola Rescue Center where they are currently committed, which is not one such place. The Landed Prosecution Counsel states that at the rescue center, it is not possible to offer sufficient security for the respondents, knowing now that the suspects faced with serious, possible serious criminal charges, which then means that there is every risk that they may attempt to take an escape at the rescue center. I opine that the orders sought are well meditated, because one would shudder to think of what the situation would present if it is true that there could be a plan or plans that would result in mass suicides by the respondents. It is the duty of this court, no doubt, that once it is seized of a matter, such as the instant one, where information is provided, to issue orders to prevent the respondents from possibly harming themselves.
Naomba tafadhali tuwe heshima kotini, mko hapa, mtawashughulikia na hakimu pia atawashughulikia. Naomba tafadhali tudumishe heshima kota. Sawa?